I'd like to kind of continue on what we were doing last week, where we were doing the linear version without the arms, just kind of, I mean, sorry, without the legs. The linear version without the arms would just be. So we'll do, we'll do the first section of the form. So that's basically the beginning preparation, beginning style, flying diagonally, grasp bow's tail, single whip, hold the ball, flying diagonally, beginning style, step up and raise the hands to stork flaps wings. Don't worry, there's no pop quiz later on this. So in any case, so we're gonna do that section, just the arms, right? Our feet are gonna be still. You can even do this in a seated position if you feel like that would benefit. That's not a problem at all. Because without the legs, the arms are exactly the same. So from here, we're gonna go preparation. We draw down. We're gonna go to neutral position with the left hand on top. Good. Horizontal elbow with the left, palm against palm. We alternate the elbow, draw down with the right hand, flying diagonally. Good. Center with the left, right hand comes over the top. Good. Horizontal elbow, palm against palm. So this is grasp the sparrow's tail. We extend out square, connect at the wrist, draw both hands down to the left hip, left palm up, push the right hand to the right hip, lift the hand to the shoulder and push straight out, hooking the hand, turn to the corner. Leave that right hand where it is, and we come across, so we have this even motion, both arms 45, and the palm is facing the front. Good, we're coming with the left, center, and low. With the right, center, and high, holding the ball, stacked on top of each other. Crossing at the wrist with the right hand on top, we lift the left hand, and the right hand comes down, flying diagonally. Left hand again to the center, and then the right hand over the top. Horizontal elbow with the right, palm against palm. We're going to raise the right hand, press with the left, palm out, bend at the waist, turn to your left, and we come back up, stork flaps wings. Beautifully done. Any questions so far on that? No questions. Okay, no problem. So let's do that. I'm going to say let's do that 3 times in a row, just like that, nice, easy pace and fully narrated. And then after, we're going to try to do that a couple of times without any narration, but don't panic. We'll all make it through. And then we can even add the legs to that. And if we still have time, we can even do some of the second section of the form. So, you know, all of you were actually, at least all of you who are physically in the room today were with me when we were, you know, this is pre-COVID, and we actually had made quite a bit of progress. We had made it, you know, pretty much to the end of the form. And so this is something that I have that class in Lincoln that I teach at the Commons. I have some students who've been with me there for, boy, going on 4 years now. And sometimes with all of the information of kind of the warm-up exercises and the form sequence, especially because we haven't had as many physical classes with each other, you know, it's been more by Zoom up until recently. And so in order to kind of jog people's memory, I've been doing this where we kind of reinforce what we're doing with the arms without having to contend with all of the other stuff with the legs. And we kind of get that to a point where it's a little more comfortable before we add the legs. And it seems like that's working. So again, feet shoulder width, preparation, we draw down, neutral position with the left hand on top. Good, horizontal elbow with the left, palm against palm, alternate, flying diagonally. Now the left hand to the center, right hand over the top, horizontal elbow with the right, palm against palm, and now we do grasp bow's tail, 4 parts. Extend, connect, flip, and push out. Now we hook the hand, we turn to the corner, we leave that hand where it is, we come back to the middle. Very good. Left hand to the center and low, right hand to the center and then high, holding the ball. Cross at the wrist, flying diagonally, left hand comes up, right hand comes down, good. Left hand comes to the center, right hand over the top. Horizontal elbow with the right, palm against palm. We're gonna raise the right hand, palm out, bend at the waist, Turn to your left, and we come back up with both arms in the hoop. Stork flap swings. Nicely done. So let's do that again. Repetition being our friend and all. We have preparation. Good. Neutral position, left hand on top. Horizontal elbow, palm against palm. That's beginning style on the left. We alternate. Flying diagonally, left hand to the center, right hand over the top, horizontal elbow, palm against palm. Extend out square. This is grasp the sparrow's tail. Draw down diagonally, flip, and push out. Hooking the right hand, turn to the right corner, leave the right hand where it is, and we come back, single whip. Center and low. Center and high, holding the ball. Cross at the wrist, left hand comes up, right hand comes down, flying diagonally. Left hand to the center, right hand over the top, horizontal elbow with the right, palm against palm, beginning style on the right. We raise the right hand, palm out, bend at the waist, turn to your left, and we come up, stork flap swings. It's really good so far. How's it feel? Does it feel like it's starting to feel a little more familiar?